Do spreadsheets really have to be so tangled? Check out these 5 magic tricks for working with spreadsheets online. Use filters to manage your data with ease. Find the Data tab at the top and proceed to the Filters view. Here you can create and manage filter views, review existing ones, or remove them. Remove data points or sets of duplicates. Select any cell in the table, then click Data, Data Cleanup, Remove Duplicates. Select which columns you'd like to include in your search, otherwise it will be applicable to all of them. Use conditional formatting to make cells change color based on data. Select a range of cells with the values you need. In the Format tab, click Conditional Formatting. Adjust the format rules and click Done. Add drop-down menus. Select the cells where you want to create a drop-down list. Click Data and select Data Validation. Select List of Items. Enter the values for the drop-down options divided by a comma and click Save. Use the Count If function to count words or numbers in any range of cells. Type the function into an empty cell you want the results to be in. Highlight the range you wish to count using Shift and type a comma. Then enter the criteria to be checked in double quotation marks. Then hit Enter. And here's a pro tip. Use no-code automation to integrate spreadsheets with the document workflows you run. Discover how airSlate's no-code automation transforms your document workflows with spreadsheets in our step-by-step airSlate Spreadsheets course. Learn more by clicking the link in the description.